So this trade was taken today, 2nd May 2024. This is Indian stock market and the stock name is LAURUS Lab. And this is the previous day candle for daily chart, and we see that price has created these two relative equal lows and therefore swept the sell side from here, and now it is moving upward towards this swing high. So this is the nearest drawn liquidity that price can reach, and before that we had an inefficiency here, this one, but this was actually visited by price. Now if we just check the last day's candle, it is almost closing this inefficiency. So our prediction was that it will go further towards the bullish direction. So based on that we are trading today. Now if you see the last day price action, so this was the last day, that means 30th of April, and we find here this order block in 15 minutes chart. This is 15 minutes chart and this is a bullish order block, and so we expect that price will react from this discount area and then it will go upward. So in the morning we were waiting for price to come to this particular discount area. So this was today's situation. So we were waiting for price to come here, but actually as we can see here, price created several down close candle moving downwards, then little bit it showed some market structure shift here, this one right here, this was the market structure shift, and then it was moving in bullish direction. So at that time I thought that it may not come here again. So you see here it was too much bullish intention, it was showing two FVGs back to back and then just clearing the previous day high, and so I took one trade from here somewhere like in the middle of this second candle here, and as you can see I have encountered loss. My stop loss was just below this down close candle, and so I incurred loss. So then actually when I was taking this trade, I actually was anticipating this, because as we can see here we had this huge pool of liquidity developed, engineered here. So this is trend line liquidity. So price is why is this creating like this? Because it wants to clear this liquidity and then it wants to come in this order block. So that was the intention of price, but it was tricking traders like us, give a breakout kind of thing and then showing that it wants to go in bullish direction. Actually it wants to go bullish direction, but after meeting this discount area. So then when I just noted this, I noted this earlier also, but I was not in the right mind, I guess. So I took this bullish trade, and then after it breaks this, I took another trade. So this was a loser, and this then the second trade was from, I think it is, yes, from here, and my stop loss was right here. So I was expecting that it will come in this order block today, but as you can see in 3:15 I exited from here after a partial profit. because after that, otherwise broker will kick me out automatically. So in intraday, first we encountered this loss here, and then we partially booked some profit here. So it was a loss making day overall. Little bit of loss I recovered here, 50% of this loss I recovered here, but other 50% is still loss. So the loss was almost like 0.5 to 0.6% of the capital. So that is quite manageable, not a big deal. So let us see what happens tomorrow. So this was the trading of today.